Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex market analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focused on the dollar index and the US dollar to the Canadian dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to review the news items coming out for the week that can affect the dollar CAD, the pair I'm reviewing today. So getting into it, Tuesday, these are New South Wales time. So at 9:30 PM tonight, we have for the US Fed Chair Powell speaks. Moving into Wednesday on the midnight, we've got CB consumer confidence from the US. Getting into Thursday, 10:30 PM for Canada, we've got GDP figures coming out. And then moving into Friday, 10:30 PM, we've got the US core PCE price index. So the news is a little bit lighter this week, but those are the events that could affect the dollar CAD. So with that in mind, let's get into the charts. Alright, first up, just want to look at the dollar index, still moving up very strong. This is the monthly chart. I just squash it in, heading towards maybe this major high up at 121.02. Can we get there? It's way overextended, but yes, the trend is still up, very much up. Is it way overextended and due for a correction? So the monthly trend is up, the weekly is up into a fresh week here, and of course the day chart is up. So we're getting very overextended, so just watch this to see whether it shows any sort of reversal. At the moment though, the US dollar dominates. Alright, with that in mind, let's get into the dollar Canadian. Alright traders, on the dollar CAD monthly chart, now we're moving up to a very significant level of resistance. We tested it yesterday. Resistance is here at 137.92, support down here now at 129.63. Very much overextended. Yes, the trend is clearly up on the monthly, but is this a significant level that the market could hold at? Potentially we could have a left shoulder, a head, right shoulder formation here on the monthly chart. It's going to take some time to form, of course, but that pattern could form. So I'm just on my hands watching at the moment. This is very much overextended and due for a correction. So the monthly trend is up. I can draw a fib in from high to low, and we're just slightly above the 62% area here. So all things could form here for a right shoulder, but we'll just have to wait and see if price action on the lower time frames won't start to change trend. Alright, let's just drop it down to the weekly chart. Alright traders, on the weekly chart, I'm just putting my resistance here, 137.15, and support down here at 132.23. Now I'm not looking to do anything to the short side unless I get a clear signal. I don't really want to be a buyer because we're way overextended and we're at resistance. So what I'm looking for on the weekly chart is this week, can we start to see a reversal candle? If we can't, then the potential for this monthly head and shoulders pattern to form at the moment isn't on the cards. But if we do get a weekly candle reversal, then of course things will look a little bit brighter. This could just keep moving up for many more weeks. Of course, at the moment the market is just driven by US dollar strength, and if that keeps happening, this is going to keep moving up. So I'm just watching this area. Does the weekly chart show a reversal or not? Alright, let's just drop down to the daily. Now on the daily, if we can get a reversal in this area, the first thing I'm going to be looking for is, can we move obviously back below weekly resistance here at 137.15, but can we see price start to sell off, then rally back up on the day chart and put in a lower top? Can 137.15 be resistance, or the 62% level be resistance? But can we form the first lower top? If we can form the first lower top, then there's every chance then that we're going to start to have a corrective move back down, and your first target would be weekly support down here at 132.23. If we break that level, then we could see a much larger decline. However, first of all, we need to start to see a reversal. So one, on the weekly chart, can we see a weekly candle reversal? Two, on the day chart, do we see the first lower top form? Alright traders, so just sitting on my hands, I know this pair is in a clear uptrend, but it's at a major level of resistance. Can it form long term a head and shoulders pattern on the monthly chart? hold at 137.92 monthly resistance and start to move back down. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 27th of September, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 28th of September, 100 pip trade entry, set and forget position trading approach, using market structure on the higher time frame charts. He will take you through the entry criteria, stop loss, and profit target levels for the 100 pip trade entry. 29th September, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.